I'm going to write down the 4 characters in this scenario. So Tweedledee, Tweedledum, Alice, and the White Rabbit. And then I'm going to make an assumption, first of all, that Tweedledee is telling the truth. So Tweedledee says, "You eat more than I do." Tweedledum says that's not true, but because I've assumed that Tweedledee is telling the truth, then Tweedledum must be wrong, must be lying there. That's just going with my original assumption. Then Alice says you are both wrong, but they can't both be wrong. So it must be that Alice is also telling an untrue statement. And then the White Rabbit says to Alice that you are right, but we know that Alice is wrong. So the White Rabbit is also wrong, and that seems to get us that one of the 4 statements was true. But really, we should just check now the opposite scenario. Let's say that Tweedledee is telling an untrue statement. You eat more than I do. So if Tweedledee is not telling the truth, then Tweedledum saying that is not true is actually telling the truth. Again, Alice says you are both wrong, but they can't both be wrong. So Alice is again false. And the White Rabbit is again false as well. So in both scenarios, we get a true statement. It just changes depending on which one of Tweedledum and Tweedledee are actually telling the truth. This gives us an answer of 1.